Okay, hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Well, not really another one, but sorry, I just had to kind of yawn. But I was gonna do a reacting to old messages video, and I got this idea from Living something. I can't remember her YouTube name, but if I can, then I put it on the screen. If I can't find it, then I'm gonna be annoyed because her videos are so cool. But as you can see, I've put send gifts for mealtime artworks. I don't know who's actually gonna do it though. I don't think I would have had any gifts. I don't think I had any gifts anyway. No new gifts received. Oh yeah. How did that count? Oh yeah, she gave me loads of gifts. Oh my god. I'm gonna go in the chat room and see who's in there because if they friend me then they can see that I'm... Should I put recording? I don't want everyone to attack me. Oh, I'm gonna put recording because why not? Bruh, stupid. And this is funny. Right, let's go on my other account. Apparently my cafe chat room, that's true. Ashley Rush. Hi Ashley! Yay, MSP is lagging. I love it when it lags. Not. Okay guys, I'll be right back because it's lagging so much and I can't deal with it. Okay, so I'm back and hope it's better. Wolfie Acrobats, I'm not dead yet. I think this is who wants VIP for a year. This is the girl I found actually, Unicorn Girl 11 Rose. She's saying who wants VIP for a year. To be honest, girl, I don't think you're gonna get it because look how much VIP is for a year if it'll load. Well, for 1 year as a star VIP, it's 65 quid. It used to be 60, but for elite VIP 1 year, already called, it's £61. And for a year of the normal VIP thing, it's £50. I don't think you're going to give anyone £50 worth or £61 or £65 worth of a year VIP for each one. So yeah, I think you're lying, mate. This is the other girl that was being quite rude to me. Yeah, I knew she's got VIP, but she doesn't get to be rude because she's not VIP. I'm a judge, hun. Basically, these are the texts. I think this was the girl anyway, it should be. She was like, oh yeah, can you trade? She was giving me rubbish trades and stuff, and she was like, oh yeah, give me something good and stuff. So many VIP people. Oh, I just realised I can get rid of that. Wow, that's just made this 10 times easier. Oh, it hasn't even made it easier, but I really want to play a game. Actually, I can't be bothered. Let's go to a... No. Oh my god, I haven't been to the mall in ages, actually. What's what it look like? I'm gonna get these coins. Coins. Can't go wrong with old dames, son. I mean, I have a boyfriend, but I can still be friends with boys. Why not? Oh, he's got... Is that a hoverboard? I don't know. Looks like it, but it looks weird. Cringe. Who are you calling cringe? I'm still losing my effing face. Mate, shut up. Okay, never mind. These chat rooms. Ignoring me is one of the many ways to irritate me. Well, if you are being annoying, I'm not surprised that people might ignore you. Just saying, girl. Just saying. Oh my god, she has something. Why did you want two of the same similar things? I get you want stuff in different colours, I can understand that, but yeah, no. Let's look on my other account actually. I never get any messages. But like the app. But it looks like I might not be doing mail time today just because look, I can so close to give myself that. I'm gonna give myself that. I forgot yet to be level 6 VIP to give people gifts. So I'm gonna need some autographs. Okay, apparently for this account I'm not even on. Okay, and now my cat's meowing, so got last type. Can't type, can I? Type. There we go. So close, yet so far away. Yeah, I'm just gonna like level up after this video, and that's gonna be so annoying. I mean, either way, I could look into like the rest of my accounts, but I really can't be bothered because that'd just be even longer, and then I'd be like, what can I do to get XP? I can. Never mind, I don't want to do that. Movie time, I can rate movies, so we're just gonna watch a quick movie. I'll be right back after I've watched it. Okay, so I've only done one movie, but that's because I can't be bothered to watch anymore. But you know, I'm just gonna end this video here because it's 6 minutes and I don't know, I can't be bothered to keep changing the time every time I talk because I want to do like more videos on this and stuff. So you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.